Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm happy you're here because today we are going to explore the life story of a man who became one of the most famous people in the world. Some people admire him, some people criticize him, some people feel confused about him. But no matter what anyone thinks, one thing is clear. Donald Trump's life is a story of big dreams, big challenges, big risks, and big comebacks. And in this video, we will take a simple, clear look at his journey, from childhood to business, to television to politics, to becoming President of the United States, not just once, but twice. This is not a video for him or against him. This is a neutral story. Each person can decide what they think. But his life teaches one important lesson. Don't give up, even when you fall, even when others doubt you. So sit back, relax, and let's begin this story together. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, a part of New York City. He grew up in a big family with 4 siblings. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer who built houses and apartments. His mother, Marianne Trump, came from Scotland and cared a lot about the family. Even though the Trump family was wealthy, life was not just fun and comfort. Donald's father believed strongly in discipline, hard work, and responsibility. He often told his children that success does not appear by magic. You earn it. As a child, Donald was energetic, confident, and sometimes a little wild. Because of his behavior, his parents decided to send him to the New York Military Academy when he was a teenager. There he learned rules, structure, and leadership. Many people believe this experience helped shape his strong personality. After high school, Donald went to Fordham University and later transferred to the Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, one of the top business schools in America. In 1968, he graduated with a degree in economics. At that moment, his adult life began, and the world did not yet know that this young man would one day become one of the most talked about figures in modern history.
After graduation, Donald Trump joined his father's company, the Trump Organization. His father had already built a successful business, but Donald wanted more. He wanted bigger projects, bigger buildings, and a bigger name. In the 1970s, Donald took on his first major project, helping transform the old Commodore Hotel in New York City. Later, it became the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project made Donald Trump famous in the business world. It showed that he wasn't just continuing his father's work, he was expanding it. Then came one of his most iconic achievements, Trump Tower, a tall, luxury skyscraper in Manhattan. The building became a symbol of wealth, style, and ambition. People began to see Donald Trump not only as a businessman, but as a brand. In the 1980s and early 1990s, he expanded into casinos, hotels,
and other real estate projects, especially in Atlantic City. Some projects made a lot of money. Others caused huge financial problems. At one point, Trump was close to losing everything. Newspapers said his career was over. But he didn't quit. He renegotiated debts, sold assets, and rebuilt his empire. This was one of the first major comebacks in his life, but not the last. During the 1990s and 2000s, Donald Trump became more than a businessman. He became a public figure. He appeared on magazine covers, talk shows, and news programs. His style, confidence, and personality made him interesting for audiences. And then came a huge turning point: The Apprentice. In 2004, Trump became the host of the reality TV show The Apprentice. Millions of people watched it every week. His famous line, "You're fired," became a pop culture catchphrase. The show made him even more recognizable, not just in the United States, but around the world.
A fun holiday moment. Home Alone 2. And here's a friendly, fun fact. Donald Trump appeared in a short scene in the movie Home Alone 2, Lost in New York. It was a small moment, but millions of people remember it. And since Christmas is coming soon, many of us will probably watch Home Alone again. Maybe with hot chocolate, cozy blankets, and family. And when that scene appears, we'll say, "Hey, there he is!" It's a light reminder that history can be serious, but life also has funny, unexpected moments. The Trump brand. By this time, Trump wasn't just a person, he was a brand. His name appeared on towers, hotels, golf courses, and properties around the world. His public image was strong, bold, confident, and always in the spotlight. But fame comes with both fans and critics. Some people loved him, some didn't. Still, he continued moving forward. For many years, Donald Trump commented on politics, but never ran for office. That changed in 2015 when he announced his campaign for President of the United States. His slogan, "Make America Great Again." It became one of the most famous political slogans in modern history. His campaign was loud, emotional, controversial, and deeply polarizing. Supporters saw him as a strong leader who spoke directly and honestly. Critics disagreed with his style and ideas. But no matter the opinion, one thing was undeniable. He had everyone's attention. And then, in 2016, something happened that shocked much of the world. Donald Trump won the presidential election and became the 45th President of the United States. During his presidency, he focused on the economy, immigration, foreign policy, and national industry and jobs. His time in office was filled with support, opposition, praise, criticism, and constant media attention. Some people called him a hero. Others strongly disagreed with him. In 2020, he ran for a second term and lost. For many people, this seemed like the end of his political journey. But not for him.
After losing the 2020 election, Donald Trump faced criticism, legal issues, and public debate. Many people expected him to step away from politics, but he did the opposite. He continued speaking, traveling, gathering supporters, and staying active in public life. And then he made another big decision. He ran again in the 2024 election. And once again, the world watched. And once again, opinions were divided. And then, another historic moment. Donald Trump won the 2024 election and returned to the White House as president. Whether people celebrate this or disagree with it, one fact is clear. This kind of political comeback is extremely rare in history. Donald Trump became one of the few leaders in modern times to lose and then return to power through an election. His journey showed one strong message: he does not quit. This video is not about loving or hating Donald Trump. It's not about arguing politics. It's about looking at a life path, a path full of victories, defeats, risks, failures, and returns. His story shows you can fall and rise again. You can lose and still come back stronger. You can face criticism and keep moving. You can start over, even when the world doubts you. Everyone will have their own opinion of Donald Trump. Some will admire him. Some will be against him. And that's okay, because history is not one story, it is many stories, seen from many sides. But one lesson is universal. Don't give up. If you have a dream, work for it, fight for it, stay strong, and keep going. Even if you fall, even if others laugh, even if the road is hard, because sometimes the biggest victories come after the biggest defeats. Whatever your goals are, big or small, start now. Don't wait. Don't stop. Don't quit. Remember, success is not free, but progress is always possible, and comebacks are real. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our channel, because here you learn English, but you also learn motivation, confidence, and the power of believing in yourself. See you in the next story.
Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!